Parecido.
No, bebé, no. I'm sorry. Look at his face. He's like, how dare you? How dare you film me while I have hiccups?
Ay, cómo se parece a my dad. Y a Rita.
Little peanut.
Ya, Rita sí.
Parece.